Alright, we're going to pull this side plug and see how we're sitting. Nope, wrong screwdriver. Okay, and the whole base idea is you just get her loose and hit rag because we might spill some gas. Okay, and how this is supposed to work. Okay, so that means that we're a little bit low.
While you're here and you're watching, check out unclebuckstuff.com. Check out a hat, a t-shirt. As you can see, I got the new design on, Uncle Buckweiser. I got them all the way up to 4X. Like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all have a good day.
Okay, so the old adage is if you bounce it, you should get some fuel, which we're not. Okay, so we're gonna loosen this off, which is it's gonna do what it's gonna do. This is just your tightening bolt, all right? This there we go. Now we got fuel coming out. We got to stop this up. Now, watch. See that's coming out? Now we're pretty close. We might be a little bit heavy, but going down the drag strip, a little bit heavy is okay. So the float was actually set low. And this just screws back in. Just stop it up. All right, and then we actually could take this and back this off just a hair. Just like that, just to make it happy. Tighten that down. Tighten that down. That's it. That's how you set a bowl. But and always use a rag. Don't ever just let it raw gas just seep onto the manifold. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe, smash that button, hitting that bell, tell your friends. Check out unclebuckstuff.com. Check out the new t-shirts, Uncle Buckweiser. They're really cool. I love them. Y'all have a great day, because a great day today could mean a fixed carburetor in the morning. Y'all be good.